Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Disable airplane mode and switch Wi-Fi on. This lets your phone scan for networks. Once done, make sure you know the exact SSID and password. Case matters. You should be within a few meters of the router for a strong signal, otherwise move closer. You'll also want to confirm the network security type, since WPA2 requires a password while open networks do not. Now, open Settings and tap Y, Fi to view available networks and begin connection. You now select the network. Tap the SSID that matches your router label. When prompted, type the password exactly. Make use of the Show option to confirm characters if available, because one wrong character will fail authentication. If the network uses a captive portal, you'll be redirected to log in through a browser after initial association. For hidden SSIDs, choose Add Network or Join Other, input the SSID, select the security type, and then enter the password to complete authentication. You finish by verifying the connection. Check signal bars and ensure your phone received an IP address under DHCP unless your setup needs a static IP. Once connected, open a browser or app to confirm internet access. Captive portals may need an extra login step. If it fails, try these quick fixes. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on, reboot the phone, or restart the router. If problems persist, forget the network and rejoin. This clears saved credentials and resolves many authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.